Hi, good morning. My name is Akshat Singh. Today I'm going to dress up like Santa Claus and go to my school because there is an activity. So talk to my daddy.
Hey, okay. Hi guys. So yesterday I bought this Santa dress for Akshat. Actually, Akshat has to wear a fancy dress due to Christmas day. So he needs one Santa dress. Yeah, Akshat, you want Santa dress? So Akshat, speak something. What do you want?
I need
Why are you jumping?
Santa dress.
You need Santa dress. So Santa dress is right here. So I'm just going to buy one Santa dress. अच्छा ये दाढ़ी है. So लगा के देखना इसको दाढ़ी. Nah. So he is going to wear this beard. Okay. 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 Hello Santa. Look at me. Superb. Superb. Fine. So I bought the dress and I'm going to buy this beard also. Okay, so dress is here. अरे वाह, बेहतरीन बन गया दुकान ये. Yeah, so this is the dress and this is the beard. Okay, fine. Okay, beautiful shop. Good one. And now you can see, come Akshat, come this side. And now he has put on this dress. Though the beard, mustache, that the whole set is still required to put on his face. It is so tight, so I'm not putting it. When he reaches his school, then he can use that beard and mustache. And he has to deliver a speech. So Akshat, do you remember any speech related to Santa?
Yeah.
So now finally he is with beard and mustache. Now you are looking like Santa. Amazing, amazing. Look at here, look at here, look at here. Oh, super. How are you feeling? Great. Can you speak something with this mustache and beard?
It's very tight.
It's very tight. But try. Okay. Let it be. Let it be. Okay, Akshat. Now you have to be confident. Now deliver your speech. Come on. Stand straight. Yeah. Go ahead. Speak up.
Hello everyone. I am Santa Claus. I come every Christmas. I bring gifts for all. Christmas is the birthday of Jesus. Christmas is celebrated on 25th
December. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Super.
Yes. Hold in this hand, left hand. You have to say like this.
No, I have to hold in left hand so it can look like right.
Yes, see. And now what you have to do, understand? You have to say, hello everyone, do like this. Very confident. Hello everyone, loud. Hello everyone, I am Santa Claus. Yes.
Yes. And your bag, I have to put some toffees. Toffees here. Okay, I will do. Okay, now let me click some photos. After that, you can take off your mustache and beard. Okay. The photo would be in the same style. Just hold your bag the way you were holding earlier. Yes. So that I can click some of your photos. Okay. Yeah. Hold. Yes. Now I'm gonna click.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here.
Yes, Santa Claus. Okay guys, so we are going to school and since he has a small bag, so he has to keep some candies or some toffees into the bag so that he can give to his friends, his classmates. So I'm going to buy some toffees. Okay, ready? Okay, which one do you want? Do you know the name of any toffee which you want? Okay, you want Pulse. So Pulse 25 कर दीजिए भैया. 25 Pulse candies. So whom will you give?
My all friends.
To your all the friends. Okay. After delivering the speech, you have to distribute these toffees. Okay. Got it? Super. Fine. Here's the shopkeeper. Fine guys, so I have taken the Pulse toffees and I came across one of my friends, so I am going with him. He has got a bike, so he is going to drop us to his school, and after that I'll talk to you guys. So thank you very much. Stay connected. Come Akshay. Oh, this is the bike. Fine. Akshay, you have to sit in the middle, okay? Can you sit by your own? Okay, wait. And hold your toffees. Hold your toffees. I'm also sitting behind you. Yeah. So Akshat has finally reached his school. He has put on his beard and mustache too. Akshat, how are you looking? Superb. Okay? You remember your speech? You have to deliver. Now go. Take care. Bye. Bye. So guys, after dropping Akshat to his school, I went to my gym. I worked out and I checked my weight. So earlier it was 76 point something and now it is 75 point something. So I have reduced little fat. So I'm happy. Now again I have come to the same shop, the vegetable seller, to buy some stuffs like broccoli and lettuce so that I can use more and more salad in my meal. So once again I'm going to buy. ये कर देना बेटा, यही ब्रोकली कर देना, वही आधा किलो ब्रोकली और वो लेटस कर देना और थोड़ा सा मूली. रेडिश हो गया, मूली हो गया. ओके फाइन. और ये 250 ग्राम ये गूसबेरी, क्या बोलते हैं, आंवला है. अच्छा. तो फिर घर में इंग्लिश में किससे बात करते हो? किसी से नहीं?
कोई भी नहीं है.
कोई भी नहीं.
सर कुछ सेंटेंस आते हैं इंग्लिश के और कुछ सेंटेंस नहीं आते. बहुत कम, और शुरू से यहीं पे रहा हूँ छोटे से, तो बस वही है, कुछ कस्टमर आ जाते हैं तो जो बात करते हैं तो उन्हीं से थोड़ा बहुत सीखा है मैंने.
ओके फाइन.
और मुझे सर इंग्लिश सीखनी है, आप प्लीज़ सिखा दें.
एक्चुअली मैं तो बस वही ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ही है, ऑफलाइन तो फिलहाल है नहीं.
सर ऑनलाइन तो नहीं पढ़ पाएंगे, अगर ऑफलाइन होगा तो बताना प्लीज़, और बहुत आपकी हेल्प रहेगी कि मैं सीख जाऊँ. मुझे पता है कि आप बहुत अच्छे सिखाते हो, आप मुझे पक्का सिखा दो.
ठीक है, थैंक यू. देखता हूँ अगर ऑफलाइन हुआ तो आई विल डेफिनेटली लेट यू नो. और बाकी मैं इधर आता रहूँगा तो कुछ ना कुछ सेंटेंसेस बताता रहूँगा. फाइन. ओके, नाउ टेल मी हाउ मच फॉर टोटल? 135. आफ्टर डिस्काउंट?
I'll give you some discount.
Yeah, he always gives me some discount. After discount 135.
120.
No.
120. Now he's asking me to give 120 rupees.
100 भी चलेगा.
नहीं 120 दे दूंगा मैं.
इंग्लिश सिखाओगे
इंग्लिश
तब.
सिखा. ओके. तो 15 रुपये का डिस्काउंट. he has given me 15 rupees discount. Very good. और नहीं वाजिब दाम लगाता है. Very good. ठीक है, I'm going to pay you via Paytm. Okay guys, so now I am going back to my home. So thank you very much for watching this video. Stay connected. Please subscribe if you are new to this channel. Press the bell icon and hit the like button. मैं भी सीख रहा हूँ कैसे बाकी यूट्यूबर्स बोलते हैं ताकि सब्सक्राइबर्स के साथ. Oh, I should speak in English. Oh my God, what happened? I was speaking in Hindi. So I am learning how other YouTubers always, ask you to press the bell icon, subscribe. I'm also learning. I'm trying to be like them. So thank you very much, guys. See you in another episode. Till then, take care and have fun. Thank you, guys.